girth on that. Ooh, look at that toast. That's what we want to see right there. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to make a spicy Italian patty melt. We couldn't get regular pre-made spicy Italian sausage, so we got regular Italian sausage, made it spicy, and threw in some smoked paprika, some crushed red chili flakes, and you threw some Italian seasoning in there too, just to help with a little flavor. Bunch of deliciousness. So right here, we just got your standard onion. Just get that. Ooh, that was spicy or hot. That definitely burned. All right, so we're just gonna turn this stuff up a little bit, break these onions up, get that oil incorporated. All right, there we go. Let's just let this stuff chill, cook up. Look at these other ingredients. So here's our patties. I'm making 2 smaller ones and 1 bigger one. Then we just got some standard provolone cheese. That's pretty much it. All right, so we're gonna throw a little salt. This is some kosher salt, a little black pepper. All right, just like so. Just basic ingredients. I just decided to throw this together. Just a little impromptu cook. Something really easy. All right, man. Smells delicious. So let's get going on some patties, because these really don't take long at all. So let's get going on these sausage patties. Now the big boy. This thing is gonna be big. Look at that. Deliciousness. Alright, so here we go. These are pretty much done. I just turned this side of the griddle off. Let's look at this meat. Oh, buddy. This is what I'm talking about. Alright, now, so we're using this whole wheat bread for the sandwich. Now, we didn't have any garlic. So normally I would put garlic in this to get a real nice, delicious tasting toast on here, but we didn't have any. So I used garlic powder, a little substitute. All right, we're just spreading that on here. I'm just gonna get a couple of these made up, and we're about ready to build some sandwiches. All right, let's build it. All right, so we got 1 piece of provolone right there. Let's throw some. Hey, you know what? Let's go with the patty. This is mine, the big dog. The smell of that. All right, we're gonna go with 2 more slices right here. Fully cover up that meat. All right. Throw some of these delicious sauteed onions on here. Boy, oh boy. I love onions. I don't know if you can tell. All right. Now, 1 more slice of cheese. You know what? 2 more. There it is. Top it off. The other side of the bread. Boom. This is going to be our patty melt right here. Alright, these things are about ready to flip. I'm just dressing this up a little bit. Ooh, man, it smells amazing. It is crazy hot out. With this griddle, I got all the doors open, everything. Oh, it's just hot. Alright, you know what? Let's give it a flip. Alright, let's get this big dog. Man, the girth on that. Ooh, look at that toast. That's what we want to see right there. Alright, boom. This is going to be serious. All right. Oh, baby. Man, this smells amazing. Let's dive in. Let's get this pie with all these onions. Hot. One thing I noticed right away, it doesn't have that garlicky flavor like I like on my grilled cheese or patty melts, but that's because we didn't have the minced garlic in there. Still really good. Awesome toast on it. The onions are amazing. That sausage is really, really good. Oh, all I did, I just guesstimated. I threw a pound of meat in there. Just kind of dump some of the seasonings in there, which I'll have all that below. Cheese is great. I wish they would have had some thicker cheese. Bees. Come on, bees. Alright, I gotta clean up. I'm gonna get in, eat my dinner. Appreciate you guys coming along. Hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Get out of here.